Welcome to Mortgage Myth Monday, where we set the record straight on some of the most common misconceptions swirling around the world of home buying. Today, we're tackling a belief that's been around for decades, the idea that you need a 20% down payment to buy a house. It's a notion that can discourage many potential homeowners before they even start. But here's the reality. You don't always need 20% down. In fact, there are several alternatives that allow many buyers to take that exciting leap into homeownership with much less. Let's dive into the details. First, let's address where this myth might come from. Traditionally, putting 20% down on a home has been seen as a benchmark for gaining a favorable mortgage rate, lower monthly payments, and avoiding private mortgage insurance, or PMI. While these are indeed benefits of a 20% down payment, the landscape of mortgage options today presents a variety of paths to homeownership that don't require such a significant upfront investment. One popular option is the Federal Housing Administration, or HA loan. FHA loans are designed to help first-time homebuyers and those who might not qualify for conventional loans due to lower credit scores or limited savings. With an FHA loan, you can secure a mortgage with as little as 3.5% down. This opens the door wide to buyers who are diligently saving, but perhaps not at the 20% mark yet. While PMI is required for the life of an FHA loan, it's often an acceptable trade-off for gaining homeownership earlier than expected. Next up, let's talk about the VA loan, a tremendous benefit available to our nation's veterans, active duty service members, and eligible spouses. VA loans, backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, are unique because they offer the possibility of purchasing a home with zero money down. You heard that right. No down payment required. Furthermore, VA loans typically don't require PMI, which can be a huge financial relief. However, it's important to note that there are upfront costs involved, such as a funding fee, although this can often be rolled into the loan amount itself. For those not eligible for VA loans, or who might not be looking to go the FHA path, there are yet more options. Many conventional loans now allow for down payments as low as threat for qualified buyers. Programs like Fannie Mae's Home Ready and Freddie Mac's Home Possible are designed to support low to moderate income buyers, providing additional flexibility and reduced down payment requirements. These programs are excellent for those who have steady income and decent credit, but who might not yet have large savings built up. Beyond these government-backed opportunities, there are also state and local assistance programs, sometimes referred to as down payment assistance programs. These can provide grants or low-interest loans to help cover the initial costs of buying a home. Some employers even offer programs to assist employees in purchasing a house, so it's worth exploring if these benefits are available to you. So why does the 20% myth persist? Often, the 20% benchmark is promoted as a financially prudent move, and indeed, it does offer the benefits of lower payments and avoiding PMI. But for many, waiting to save 20% could mean years of postponing homeownership, possibly missing out on building future equity and stability. The key takeaway is that one size doesn't fit all in the world of mortgages. There are numerous paths to consider, each with its own pros and cons tailored to different financial situations. In conclusion, buying a house is not a one-size-fits-all journey, and it certainly doesn't require a uniform 20% down payment. With FHA loans, VA loans, and various low-down payment conventional options, aspiring homeowners have a spectrum of choices. These alternatives could make the dream of owning a home a reality much sooner than expected. It's crucial, however, to research and understand all these options to determine what works best in your financial situation. Seek advice from a mortgage professional to guide you through this complex process and help you achieve your homeownership goals. Remember, dispelling these myths is just the first step. With the right knowledge, you can find the path that leads you to the home of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on Mortgage Myth Monday. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and happy house hunting.